咁樣透露好正喎，等我又試下先。
Ivan， 大熱天時，你唔係想 BBQ 下話？
歡迎收睇達人行，我係澤 Sir Carry。自從烈風槍推出咗之後，工程界嘅師傅梗係吹啲窄位嘅塵、工具或者身上嘅塵啦。住喺新界或者國外嘅朋友就愛嚟吹花園嘅樹葉。將軍澳車神拓海咧，洗完車嘅時候梗係愛嚟吹水啦。不知不覺差唔多已經1年啦，連我哋嘅小店長都已經亭亭玉立。到咗今日，有冇知勁啲嘅咧？真烈風槍去片，
裏面有說明書。可以互換嘅長短槍嘴，長嘴嘅彎度大約係20度。更換嘅方法，逆時針擰一下，上下左右4個方向吹風。按一下着機，再按一下開始，有4個風速。右邊呢個係 LED 嘅照明燈掣，方便喺暗黑嘅環境中工作。
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. Some people waste their time just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to keep you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. You're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and
就咁吹水簡單咗啲喎。
經理好勁喎！我見你輕鬆鬆就將一地樹葉又塵又剩咁吹埋晒一堆喎，啲姐姐咪唔使大熱天時咁辛苦掃餐飽咯。
物理 physics 嘅嘢好簡單嘅啫，加大個摩打，加大個電流咪得咯。
哇！不過就會重同埋好容易過熱啊。
WMJB02S 真裂風槍，除咗風力強咗、機身輕咗、手柄細咗，我哋亦都取得各方面嘅平衡。我哋測試過啦，比起同級，甚至乎36伏嘅風力都要勁。而市面上咧有啲風機標榜又吹又吸，但係你實際效果都係強差人意嘅。
風槍用嚟吹㗎嘛，要吸嘅我哋有 WMVC02 吸塵機。
我哋咧就買咗一大堆風機嚟做測試，有啲插電之後咧就唔着喎，有啲就窒下，仲有啲谷得勁嘅，即刻有燶味同出煙添。
我哋喺戶外不斷換電池，連續長開2個鐘，風力依然強大，而且一啲過熱或者停機嘅跡象都冇。如果你有興趣睇數據測試片就睇到尾啦，我哋每個測試都做咗好多次㗎啦，搞呢條片都至少搞咗成個月。
喺呢段時間咧，我哋收到唔少意見嘅，有好多客人咧同我哋反映咧，長時間按住個掣做開關咧係好唔方便嘅。而我哋 Woodman WMJB02S 咧，除咗有4個風速之外咧，一按就開，一按就可以關㗎啦。如果你都想感受下分紅海嘅力量，就記得嚟大角咀達人行度試下啦。
更好嘅產品。裂風槍推出咗之後，我哋走訪好多嘅工廠，發現工具外表就算一樣，但係裏邊用嘅材料咧都有可能唔同。為咗研發更好嘅產品，拆咗最少100支嘅風槍。希望你都喜歡我哋嘅新產品同埋測試嘅片段。請你俾個 like、訂閱同埋分享俾你嘅朋友。而我哋下一次測試嘅就係新水槍。
咪住，大家一定係最關心個價錢啦。WMJB20S 真裂風槍官方價錢680蚊，達人行之外各大零售店陸續都會有售噶啦。
咦，咁樣透露好正喎，等我又試下先。
Ivan， 大熱天時，你唔係想 BBQ 下話？
係
燒雞翼我中意食。
經理咪講咁多，嗱，借把風槍過我。
喂，衰仔，你拎錯咗啊！一留啲手尾俾我。
WMJB 20S 有4個檔次。
風槍嘅推動力主要分兩類，第一類係風葉式 propeller， 好似直升機葉咁樣樣；第二係屬於渦輪式。渦輪式風槍嘅特點就係佢出風口相對係細㗎，吹出嚟雖然唔係好大力，但係喺啲特定嘅環境，例如喺條喉管嘅時候咧，佢能夠保持相對嘅風壓。我哋做咗以下嘅測試。